basically, Republic was focusing on CBI findings that 431, this guy, main guy, the accused and the one who's caught so far, the Roy guy, Sanjay Roy or somebody, he was seen on the third floor at about 4:31, and within 1 hour he was seen in the premises moving away, and again he did not come. But what Republic highlighted the spotlight was on the bike which showed police. It was written police. So it's a clear indication of the nexus with the police, and we know the police are the main Ghosh guy is very much, imagine he had almost 90 hours of grilling by CBI, but he's just not mincing any word. So he is definitely with TMC. And the other guy, I think the polygraph test, although it is not going to be, the magistrate gave permission, it won't be valid, but just to extract the results from 4 doctors who had dinner with her on the ill-fateful night. They caught a hold of them and they said, we are going to interrogate them in the afternoon, but I don't know what happened later. It would be delayed because CBI team is going after every aspect. That's one thing I observed. And another one is the protest, in spite of Chandrachud passing that order that you all should resume back and save lives. I really loved it when these people did not resume. He needs to get that answer because public are enraged, and it is not chota mota. And Arnab was saying from 2012 these kind of gory heinous rapes have been happening, and Mamta is always supporting the culprits. So
So
obviously
let's hold on अग्निया जी. So आपका कहने का ये मतलब है कि इस केस में because these ghost people are from TMC, that's why the Mamata Banerjee and everybody, it goes all the way to top. Is that what you're saying, Rina ji?
They are all in league, and there's human trafficking, all kinds of illegal, nefarious
But
activities
where
like
is coming from?
Maharashtra.
Is it coming from Republic to you, Rina ji, or some other source?
No, it was spoken. It was spoken even in the legal courts and all that. There are things coming out, and even Republic will not make such flaws. It started highlighting, and remember, Republic exposed a lot of blatant truths in Sushant and Disha's case. So I really hats off to them. I respect them.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well,
just
yeah. No, that's
20
fine.
reporters, 20 reporters in West Bengal, day in and day out, they're working. Which other channel is showing? So this is definitely kind of highlighted by BJP in West Bengal, but that's okay. They will.
So let
They
me
will
ask you.
finally.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Highlight is good. That's always better. And people speaking are good. But do you think there is anything media trial going on in this case, like Republic, that what they were doing in Sushant case as per court? Is it harming anything investigation? Do you think investigation is being compromised? Do you think CBI is able to do what they have to do? Like, what are your thoughts on that investigation part itself?
See, the best part in this is it has so quickly gone to the Supreme Court, and because of public's enrage, it will happen. And BJP's main interest, they got a jackpot now in West Bengal. I'm sorry to say, but we all know how BJP, they will succeed. Amit Shah is behind it, and even Nadda, he's gone there. Why
So
even Nadda has a lot of vengeance. He was his entire
I
convoy
really
and his jeep
don't care
was
about.
ransacked.
Listen रनिया जी, please. मैंने जो आपसे सवाल पूछा
Yes,
था
yes,
इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में कि कैसी चल रही है. I don't really
yes.
care कि बीजेपी ने जैकपॉट किया है, whether अमित शाह का बेटा कोई आईसी का चेयरमैन बनता है. I really have no interest in that, right? Just on this
I
matter
have not
investigation,
come
do
to
you
that,
think?
but it will go on. It will go on. They will be successful. Mark my words. She is a Rakshasi who will fight back
Okay,
tooth and nail. But
I
Nadda has to win.
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And Kapil Sibal is just throwing his weight around, but he's just looking for words, and he's literally throwing his weight. Shame on him. And if Tushar Mehta is talking about only one, because probably he's got only one as a Solicitor General, at least he's gone ahead. The rest of it will be given by CBI, and there are n number of helpers from BJP. They know how to bring it, and even Republic knows how to bring it. It
Okay.
will not be sidetracked. The
Okay.
investigation will go off well. Let's
Okay.
give it some more time.
Okay. Okay. All
We
right.
didn't
So
have
that's
anybody
fine.
in Sushant's case, if you
That's fine.
compare,
So,
right?
so what you are saying is CBI will bring justice in this case with the help of BJP and Republic. I think that's what I'm hearing. And I hope they give the justice. Whether who gives the
Exactly.
help doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Let me go to the other speaker. Reena ji, you want to add something before I move on?
No, no, please go. I'll wait. I'll come back again.
Okay. All right. Sushant, SMS for SSR. Is your mic working right now? Okay. Let me go to NYT and Re. Are you want to add something before? I know I see your hand, Savyoji. I'll come to you after I ask these two. Please. Yeah.
जी
Go
देव
ahead,
जी,
NYT
मैं
जी,
तो
please.
बस ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि सीबीआई ने अभी तक प्रोग्रेस क्या की है? I am not understanding कि क्या किया है. Is it established by CBI कि यहाँ पे हत्या हुई है? Is it established by CBI कि यहाँ पे बलात्कार हुआ है? Is it established by CBI कि वो जो लड़की के साथ हुआ वो उस अस्पताल में हुआ? I mean, are the basics established by CBI or is it just अब CBI को मिले हुए एक हफ्ते से ऊपर हो गया है? Are they still just running around in the dark? या कोई conclusion किया भी है aside from
Yeah.
one arrest? That's my
Yeah.
question.
So yeah, and again, Savyoji, I can ask him to add details there. But there was, like he said, 22nd where they're supposed to file a report. But what I heard from him, all they are doing is dilly dally. That's my understanding. I don't have answer for that, NYTG. But again, it seems like there are some, Republic is doing great job exposing a lot of things, and BJP on top of the thing. So it's just a matter of time. Maybe you should be patient, just like me, for a day or two, NYTG. They will give us justice. JP Nadda and Amit Shah ji.
जो फेक नैरेटिव बाहर चला गया है, से फेसबुक बोलिए, कहाँ से भी बोलिए, मैंने री जी को भी बोला था और आपको भी देखिए डीएम किया है कि आप लोगों को बंगाली समझ में आता है कि नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग इंग्लिश या हिंदी को चैनल को देख रहे हैं, बंगाली चैनल हम लोग को नहीं आ रहा है। री जी मुझे बताए नहीं, और 13 भी अकाउंट सर बोल रहा है जो थोड़ा थोड़ा आते हैं, ऐसा कुछ बात है। देखिए मैंने डेली अपडेट देके जा रहा है वीडियो के साथ, आज भी किया है और आपको भी टैग किया है। लेकिन मैं जाते जाते सिर्फ एक बात बोल रहा हूँ, जो फेक नैरेटिव चला गया है, ऑर्गन हार्वेस्टिंग, ये सब कुछ भी है, तो मुझे मालूम है ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा बंगाली में, इसीलिए इंग्लिश में एक रिकॉर्डिंग किया गया है। और उधर का स्टूडेंट, जो फाइनल ईयर का स्टूडेंट, जो उस दिन रात में प्रोटेस्ट में था, जो लोग, और वो लोग आज भी मतलब धरना में हैं, तो वो अलग बात है, तो वो लोग उधर प्रोटेस्ट में था। इंग्लिश में जो हुआ है हर एक चीज A to Z मैंने आप लोगों को डीएम कर दूंगा और मैंने पोस्ट भी करूंगा, ऐसा कुछ बात नहीं। फाइनली एक बात मैंने बोल के जा रहा हूँ, 2-3 दिन के अंदर पुजारी आएगा, पूजा सामग्री के साथ भी आएगा, और इसको 30 जून 2022 बनाने का चक्कर में है, लेकिन ये वेस्ट बंगाल डॉक्टर जिसके साथ एक मिनट जिसने जो विक्टिम है, जिसके साथ इतना ब्रूटल टॉर्चर हुआ है, कल्प्रिट अरेस्ट, मतलब उसको पनिशमेंट होगा ही होगा, 100% श्योर हो जाइए, होगा। मैंने अभी उस दिन भी बोला था, आज भी बोल रहा हूँ, और मैंने उस दिन भी बोला था, आज भी बोल रहा हूँ, संदीप घोष टाटा बाय बाय गया, उसको कोई बचा नहीं पाएगा।
ओके।
संदीप घोष गया, खत्म। लेकिन 2-3 दिन के अंदर ही 2-3 दिन के अंदर ही देखिए पूजा सामग्री के साथ पुजारी आएगा, और जिस दिन आएगा उस दिन आप लोग खुद श्योर हो जाएंगे इसको 30 जून 2000 बनाने के चक्कर में इतना कुछ, जैसा
ठीक
उधर हुआ था
ठीक
ना, जिया के सॉरी दिशा के साथ, जिया के साथ, सुशांत के साथ जो हो रहा है इधर भी वैसा ही करने का है। लेकिन ये वेस्ट बंगाल है, मैंने आज भी बोल रहा हूँ, उस दिन भी बोला था, जस्टिस मिलेगा, 100% मिलेगा, कोई रोका नहीं सकेगा, कोई रोक नहीं सकेगा। चाहे अगर रूलिंग पार्टी के अंदर भी कोई है उसको भी लटकाएगा, क्योंकि ये टीएमसी का जो है ना, ममता जी का मेहनत का जगह है, इतना आसानी से जाने नहीं देगी।
चलिए ठीक okay so at least you know lot of people here Sabio ji like you and other side agree कि इसमें
ठीक है, ठीक है,
जरूर
ठीक है।
कुछ ना कुछ होगा और अल्टीमेटली जस्टिस
आज
का ही
नहीं
है
तो कल, आज नहीं तो कल रिजल्ट तो आएगा ही। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जब चले गए वो तो रिजल्ट आएगा ही, वो तो पता ही चलेगा, सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हो तो पता आएगा ही, आएगा ही। लेकिन बीच में जो कुछ भी चल रहा है उस दिन आप लोग देखेंगे कहाँ से क्या क्या हुआ है।
yeah but I have my
पूरा
doubts
क्लियर हो जाएगा।
I have my
ठीक
doubts
है,
I have my doubts कि CBI is not the CBI is not capable of doing it but people have ulterior motive in these cases trying to make things that are not political and which where it should be political they want to get out of it. To me it's like you know I know I have you know I respect your feelings for your respective parties you know all those but jab tak I want to see the evidence
पार्टी का नहीं, मैंने आम जनता की
नहीं
तरफ से बात
नहीं
कर रहा
मेरा
हूँ।
आपसे
सीबीआई इस बार बाच ही नहीं पाएगा, उसको तो जस्टिस मतलब काल्पिट को देना ही पड़ेगा। मैंने पहले ही एक ही बात
ओके
बोल रहा हूँ।
ठीक ठीक है सागर जी लाइक मैं
ये
जनरल कमेंट
आज के दिन ये आप लिख के रखिए।
ठीक है मैं लिख के और
सीबीआई
रिकॉर्डिंग भी है ओके
100%।
ठीक है ओके सागर जी थैंक यू या इस केस में यू नो लाइक मेरा जनरल कमेंट ये था कि मैं तभी विश्वास करूंगा कि इसमें कुछ होगा जब मैं देखूंगा। मैं बैठ के 4 साल में अगर कुछ सीखा है तो यही सीखा है कि यू कैन नॉट ट्रस्ट एनीबडी you cannot trust a party you cannot trust a media in that country okay and that may be different from you and that's fine but that's how I see it अगर होगा तो होगा। मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के like मेरा जो ओपिनियन है पर्सनल ओपिनियन ये है कि these things I don't know जस्टिस तो जिस फैमिली ने जो लड़की को बुरी तरह मारा उनको तो क्या जस्टिस मिलेगा राइट उनके लिए जस्टिस दे नो जस्टिस देयर यू नो बाकी ये लोगों की जो रोटियां सिक रही है इनको क्या होगा और जो कवर अप जो किया गया है क्या होगा वह सीबीआई कपिल सिब्बल सीजेआई और तुषार मेहता जैसे लोग यू नो उनका इंटेंट क्या है वी विल सी एंड मैं खाली यही कोशिश करूंगा कि no matter which party you belong to think of it as a crime that happened from that perspective not from a political lenses not from a ideology lenses and make sure when you come across something try to find another avenue and re-verify these because as I said because of lack of information given by authorities the environment in all places is ripe for misinformation and अगर आपने 4 साल में ये नहीं सीखा है then it's up to you then it's on you